For the past 7 days, over a month, we've been doing the Heart of Daylesford.
Hello, my name's James. I'm one of the tutors here at the cookery school, and today I've been watching the guys make some dishes from the market garden. Absolutely fantastic. They've really used all of the seasonal ingredients and they've cooked them really, really well, so I'm very impressed.
We prepared a starter which was stuffed courgettes with a bay wall cheese, which we made here. We used the breadcrumbs that we used from the wasted bread that we're not allowed to sell anymore.
So we headed out to the market garden, spoke to Saskia about what's in season at the moment. She directed us in the way of the courgette flowers, which are in bloom, and also some of the split heritage tomatoes, which we usually would go to waste.
And we used just 3 ingredients in the tomato sauce, which was tomatoes, shallots and garlic, all from the market garden.
Today we had to make the main course for our 3-course lunch, and we dug up fresh potatoes from the market garden and took inspiration from the Daylesford kitchens and made a very light potato salad just to keep it all very simple and fresh.
We chose a feather blade from our gorgeous Aberdeen Angus and South Devon castle that we have here on the farm. And we cooked it on the barbecue with a nice barbecue rub of paprika and garlic and salt.
We are so lucky that we have this market garden here. Everything is here is fantastic. It's organic, all the guys from there work with passion. It's very good.
Cooking with ingredients from the farm today, turmeric yogurt and honey. The two, we made a meringue. We put them all in a glass with some berries. It was delicious.
It's been a really incredible experience. The team's learned a whole load of things, and we've just been stuck into every aspect of the business, and it's been great fun.
Here we are at the end of another Heart of Daylesford 2018. This year it has been a really special one. They've had a fantastic task where they've been engaged with social media and coming up with content to put on our stories and images for the Instagram account. And at the end of the 7 days, the 4 modules, going up to Wootton, going into the market garden, into the production units and everything else, they've come together and created 3 fabulous dishes, a starter, a main course and a pudding. Very proud of this group of 12. They've done a fantastic job and very excited to watch them progress through the business.